This looks like a church. And yet it has the Crusader look about it. Let's go check it out. I've never been in here. If they ask what I'm doing, I'll say I'm a lost pastor trying to find my way. I am a pastor. Hello? It's locked. It's a residential area. Let's go back out. We are headed towards the new gate. Yesterday, I believe, I was walking the other way at 6:30 in the morning. Not so noisy. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. Kids are just getting out of school. We are in the Christian quarter. Actually, I prefer the steps over the ramps. You don't have as many steps to take. St. Basil. I've heard of him. I'm not sure who he is. Street named after him. Not too bad in the shade. I'd say about 75. This October 18th, 2018 day. I'm about due for a cold one too. Let's go this way. Streets are a little wider in the Christian quarter. Looks like you can get 2 cars with. At least right here you can. Kids are getting out of school. Hey, LaSalle High School, Jerusalem, Catholic. And they speak Arabic. How was school today? Did you learn something? Math? Good. If you look on the top of the wall, it's what's called the ramparts. You can actually walk the ramparts around the old city. I think the circumference is about 4 miles. I've done it before, not the ramparts, but along the outside. And you can do it in about an hour if you're walking at a good pace. Back that way is Damascus Gate, East Jerusalem, this way into Western Jerusalem. I believe that right there is another Catholic compound, I'm not sure. But we're going to end this portion of the tour. Shalom.